This is how to rename a field in MongoDB. So this is the easiest way to do it. Open your Compass. So select your project, select your database. I will select my shirt database and I will select men as my collection. Now, let's say we will change this to location instead of warehouse. You just need to click this pencil icon and rename this to location and just click update. So this is how you will update a single field. And if you want to bulk rename, so for instance, we will change all the warehouse to location, just click update and you can, instead of set, you will rename this and to rename, enter your old field. So that will be warehouse, okay, colon, and we will change this to location and just click update 3 documents. Now let's refresh and you have updated multiple fields. So this is how you will rename a field in MongoDB.